Welcome back again to Microsoft PowerPoint 2013 step by step. This is chapter 10. I definitely know that you were waiting for this, because this time we have the chance to work on animations, audios, and videos. So what we have here exactly? In this chapter you will learn how to animate with ready-made effects, and then customize animation effects, and then add audio content, and then also insert and play videos. So let's continue. Why would you do that? Animation makes attraction, right? So that's the reason what you do to attract those listeners, those who you want to attract with your presentation. Now let's take Natural Garden A, and on slide 1, click the site title. Go to the Animation tab. In the Animation group, click More. To display all the animations what we have. Of course, you also can continue with more entrance effects, more emphasize effects, etc., etc. But at the very beginning, just take the entrance area and click the shape thumbnail. You just saw how it works. As the next step, apply the shape animation to the slide subtitle, right? That's what we did. And display slide number 2. Click anywhere in the left content placeholder and apply the shape animation again. Notice that the boxes contain the numbers 1, 2, 3, right? Repeat this step 5 that we just had before for the right placeholder, and we should have 4, 5, 6 exactly. Display slide number 3. Click the frog photo and do a shape animation again. In the Advanced Animation group, click the Add Animation button. And click Pause. Emphasize. Notice that we have now 1, 2 on this slide. Click the preview and you see what happens. Once again, click the frog. It should be active. Then in the Advanced Animation group, click the Animation Painter button. Okay. And click the crow photo. Do the same for the cat. And let's make a preview again. We just copied all the animations one by one for the photos. So let's look at these 3 slides together in slideshow view. Only when I click, then the next text appears actually. The next, and the next. Same should go by the photos. Step by step, each animation only goes when I click with the mouse. Let's go back to normal view. And then let's take just to look at animations, tab, and timing. The timing should be not on click, but after previous. And after previous. After previous. So let's see what is going on now. I don't have to click. But now I have to click because I still have selected on click. Perfect. It works very well. Thank you for your attention. Let's go to customize animation effects. This time we take the Natural Garden B file, and with the slide number 1, click the slide title again, and on the animation tab in the animation group, click the Effect Options button to display Effect Options Gallery. In the Shapes area, click Diamond. Then display the Effect Options Gallery again. In the Direction area, click Out. Let's preview it. Let's do the same for our subtitle. It should be also totally the same, diamond and out. And with the subtitle still selected, in timing group, display the start list and click after previous. Right. Notice that the number changed to 1 from 2. And if you go to reading view, that's it. So once again, it automatically starts. Let's get back to normal view by pressing escape button and go to slide 2 and then click anywhere in the bulleted list on the left. In the advanced animation group, click animation pane button to open animation pane. Okay. If the animation pane shows only the first animation in each content placeholder, click the chevron. So you may only see this, and now you can see all of them. And click Effect Options to open the circle dialog box. In the Enhancements area, display the sound and click chime or chim, I don't know how to pronounce it. display the after animation list. And then go for the red one. Display the animate text list and click by letter. Click timing tab. Display the duration list and click 3 seconds. Then click OK to close the dialog box, and watch the effects you changed. So this is also done. Now apply the float-in entrance animation to the entire placeholder. So float in. In the animation pane, click the arrow for the right of the selected placeholder. And then you can click the effect options. To open the float up dialog box. On the effect page, set the sound to chim again, just as it was. Set after animation to rightmost red again, and set animation text by letter. On timing page, verify the duration is set is fast, is 1 second, and then click OK. You can take many more adjustments to your custom animation effects, but when you are satisfied, use the animation painter to copy the animation effects of the bullet points to the right as well. And then let's stop it. And we are done. Similarly, you can do anywhere else these tasks or these steps or similar steps. Just try it by yourself. What are the options what you can take? Thank you for your attention. We have a lot more to do by adding audio content. Among the audio contents, you may distinguish between the following types. Audio files. Insert an audio file, for example a speech for our interview, by clicking the audio button in the media group on the Insert tab, clicking an audio on my PC, and then selecting the file in the Insert Audio dialog box. Now you also have the chance to do audio clips, using audio clips. Insert an audio clip by clicking the audio button in the media group, clicking online audio to display the insert audio dialog box, where you can search for and select the audio clip you want. Recordings. Record a sound or narration and attach it to a slide, all from within PowerPoint. That's what you can do here. Don't worry, we start with the slides AKJ Cottage, and Health Ecosystems A. The Health Ecosystems A should be displayed on your screen and follow the steps. In the Insert tab in the Media group, click the Audio button. And then click Online Audio to open the Insert Audio dialog box. In the search for box, enter please birds. And then click the search button to display icons of bird call clips available from office.com website. Preview a few clips. Loading preview. Still loading preview. Takes a little time. I know guys, you don't want to wait so long, so I try once again. If it doesn't work, then I just take one. Oh, this one is good. Okay, let's insert this one. So, in the middle of the slide, notice the icon and play bar representing the audio object. Because the icon doesn't show up against the picture, drag the icon and its play bar to the upper left corner of the slide to make it more visible. In the play bar, click play and pause. To hear the audio clip. And now let's customize the audio clip and its icon. With the audio icon selected, the format toolbar in the Edges group, click change picture button. So once you are there, okay, then it is Insert Picture dialog box. Click Browse, navigate to Chapter 10. Let's do it. Okay, now take the bird file and insert it. On the Playback Tool tab in the Audio Options, group Display Start List and click Automatically. Then select the Loop Until Stop checkbox. Switch to Reading View and listen to the audio clip plays. Right, it's done. Okay, move to the pointer over the bird representing the audio object, and when the play bar appears, you can stop it as well, just as we had. Okay, display the AKG Cottage. So view, switch window, AKG Cottage. Oh, AJK Cottage, sorry, AJK Cottage. Presentation and view it in reading view, pressing escape after a few slides. Okay, let's come back to slide number 1. And into the Insert tab, let's take Media Group and Audio button, then click the audio on my PC to open the Insert Audio dialog box. Now I'm at chapter 10, and I can take the MMD file. Let's insert it with double click this time. On the playback tab in the audio option group, change the start setting automatically. Then select the play across slides and loop until stopped. And hide duration show checkbox. During show. Okay, that's it. We are going for it now. This is also done. If you did it, you did a very good job. If you were faster than me, you did an excellent job. Thank you for your attention. We go for inserting and playing videos now. Now this is where we have to distinguish between video files and video clips. You can insert a digital video file in 2 ways. If a slide has a content placeholder, click the placeholder's Insert Video button and then click from a file in the Insert Video dialog box. If it doesn't have a placeholder, click the Video button in the Media group. On the Insert tab, click Video on my PC and select the file in the traditional browsing Insert Video dialog box that appears. For video clips, you can also insert the video clip directly from a website in 2 ways. If the slide has a content placeholder, click the placeholder's Insert Video button. If it doesn't, click the Video button in the Media group and then click Online Video. Either method opens the Insert Video dialog box where you can search for and select the clip you want. Both video files and video clips from websites appear on the slide as a video object that you can size and move to meet your needs. When you select the video object, PowerPoint adds Format and Playback tool tabs to the ribbon. What you can do is to drag the object to locate it anywhere on the slide, drag its sizing handles to make it larger or smaller, and use commands on Format tool tab to change its appearance. Similarly, like you can do it for pictures. You can also customize the video itself by using commands on Playback tool tab as follows. Edit the video so that only part of it plays. Make the video gradually appear and disappear. Adjust the volume or mute the sound. Specify whether the video plays automatically or by clicking. Specify that the video should occupy the entire slide space while playing. Make the video object invisible while a presentation is displayed in reading view or slideshow view. Specify that the video should play continuously until you stop it. Ensure that video starts from the beginning each time it's played. In a normal view, you can test the video associated with the slide by clicking the video object and then either clicking the pause button on its play bar or clicking the play button in the preview group on the playback toolbar. tab, sorry. But we can start with our file, which is health ecosystem B, health ecosystem B, and in the left content placeholder, click the insert video, picture, online picture, and insert video. Dialog box. Adjacent from file, click the browse. So we will take the butterfly file and insert it. And on the play bar, click the play and pause button. Let's repeat it. Here again, browse similarly for wildlife. Should work as well. Okay, let's stop it. And with the wildlife video selected on the playback tool tab, let's go to the editing group and trim video to open the trim video dialog box. On the slider below the frame, drag the green starter marker to the right until it sits about 0017. Okay, and you can also try to add in this way. So 17, what was that? 17? 17, 28, actually it should be 1720. Right. Then click the next frame button. Pausing after each click. Until the first marmot frame comes into the view at about 17292. 17292. Right, that's it. Here we go. I have it at 17312. And then drag the red stop marker to the left until it sits about 2090. Yeah. And do as well the same next until it's 2079. Yeah, okay. There we go. Click OK, hit to close the dialog box. And then play the trimmed video. Next, let's size the video objects and apply a style to make them look attractive on the slide. Okay, click the butterfly video object. And on the Format Tool tab, in the size group, click the height arrow until it says 3. What we have 3 is going to be this here, 762. Okay. Height should be 762. Right. It's good. And the wildlife height also should be 762. Because this video object is now too wide, we need to crop it from the left. Okay. The Format tool tab, click the size. Yeah, and dialog box launcher and format video pane. In the pane, click the video icon. And then click on crop. In the crop position area, change the width setting to 4. Well, 4 is going to be 10. Something. Drag the object until they are evenly spaced on the slide, using the smart guides to ensure that they are aligned. Here we can crop as well if we want to. Here I'm not happy with the height, which is 7.1 here, so it should be the same approximately. And this one as well. This looks better. Yeah, definitely better. Okay. Select both video objects. So once you are done with it, select both video objects, and then on the Format tool tab, click the More button. Format tool tab. In the video style group, and you have a lot of chances to style your videos, to attach styles to your videos. In the Intents area, click the 5th thumbnail in the row, in the first row. Intents for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Terribly sorry, before this, when I used cropping, I didn't pay attention where I used the cropping, and I used picture positioning rather than crop positioning. Actually, I need, of course, crop positioning and not picture positioning. Now the same is true for this here. This has to be 7.1, and this has to be 7.6, of course. Now that these are both done, let's check it out that we have the same levels. This might be a little bit, filling, a little bit more filling. It's also done. Okay. In the Intents area, first, reflected bevel black. This is what we have done. Let's check it out. We really have it. Number 5, reflected bevel black. Let's continue by clicking away from the object to display the result. And then finally, let's set up the video for presentation delivery. Click the butterfly object, and on the Playback tool tab, in the video options group, click Volume button, and then click Mute. Leave Start on click. Then select loop until stopped. Switch to reading view. And then preview and pause the butterfly video. Then preview and pause the wildlife video and then press escape. What you can add, perhaps, is to play full screen for the second one. Now let's try it. I don't know how it works, so let's see it. Okay, and then that's it. It perfectly works. Right, that was it for now. Thank you for your attention. This was chapter 10 from the book. Goodbye. See you.